Writing a business plan is a critical step in turning your business ideas into reality, but it's not without its challenges. Many entrepreneurs, especially those without formal business training, can fall into common traps that weaken their business plans. In this video, we dive deep into 10 frequent mistakes people make when writing their business plans. Mistake number 1: boring executive summary. Don't underestimate the importance of the executive summary. It should succinctly capture the essence of your business idea, demonstrating the competency of your team and articulating the compelling vision of how your products or services will address specific market needs. Mistake number 2: lack of focus. Ensure your business plan maintains a clear focus on defining your target markets and highlighting how your offerings will stand out competitively. Avoid vague or generic descriptions that fail to differentiate your business from others in the market. Mistake number 3: superficial definition of target customers. Dive deep into understanding your target customers' needs and preferences. A granular segmentation of your target audience will enable you to tailor your products or services effectively, ensuring that they resonate with your specific customer groups. Mistake number 4: overly optimistic evaluation of market size and opportunities. While optimism is essential for entrepreneurship, be cautious not to inflate market size or overestimate your business's potential. Base your projections on realistic data and avoid presenting overly ambitious figures that lack substantiation. Mistake number 5: underestimating the competition. Conduct thorough competitive analysis to understand the landscape in which your business operates. Acknowledge existing competitors and anticipate potential new entrants, ensuring that your business plan reflects a realistic assessment of competitive pressures. Mistake number 6: underestimating business risks. Identify and address potential risks that could impact your business's success. Consider factors such as changing market dynamics, increasing competition, regulatory challenges, and geopolitical uncertainties, and develop strategies to mitigate these risks effectively. Mistake number 7: too detailed description of the product or service. While it's essential to showcase the uniqueness and innovation of your offerings, avoid overwhelming readers with technical jargon or irrelevant details. Focus on conveying the business impact and value proposition of your products or service in a clear and concise manner. Mistake number 8: unrealistic financial projections. Ensure your financial projections are grounded in reality and based on sound assumptions. Avoid the temptation to overly inflate revenue forecasts or underestimate expenses, as unrealistic financial projections can erode credibility with investors and stakeholders. Mistake number 9: unconvincing presentation of the executive team. Highlight the strengths and expertise of your executive team in a compelling manner. Provide context on why each member is well suited to drive the business forward, and address any potential competency gaps transparently. And mistake number 10: lack of review. Seek external feedback and review from experienced consultants or trusted advisors. A fresh perspective can uncover blind spots, identify errors, and refine your business plan, enhancing its overall quality and credibility.